Well, he's just made a very bold statement. He reckons he can change a boost solenoid in 7 minutes.
No, I said under 7 minutes.
Under 7 minutes from bonnet closed, tools available. So we shall see. We will film it and you can check
I
it.
can do a lot of things in 7 minutes.
Right, so I made a bet the other day with Gareth that I could change the boost solenoid in an N55 in under 7 minutes. So we've got timer over there, 6:59 on the timer. We'll hit start and then we will see if I can change this in under that without going boom. Here we go. Go. Step 1, take engine cover off. Place somewhere. Step 2, unclip air filter. Step 3, undo one of these clamps. Undo all the way. Okay, move that out of the way. Step 4, 10mm bolts on the intake pipe. Step 5, unclick connector and move that wire over there. Step 6, undo this little lock on this tab. Don't lose that. And then that pipe will be free. Step 7 or 8, I don't know what we're up to. There's one Torx bolt down here on the intake pipe. Undo that. Intake pipe should be free. And then on the solenoid, there's two 10mm nuts and an electrical connector. 10mm. Make sure you don't drop the nuts down into the engine bay. Not that I've done that before, but it's kind of a pain. There's a clip of doom on the connector, so you're gonna take that off. Again, small. Don't lose that. And then the clip comes off the solenoid, and then the solenoid is free to be released. There are two vacuum lines, don't mix them up. The one with the shielding on it is towards the front of the car. The one without the shielding is towards the back of the car. New boost solenoid going in. Maybe. So vacuum line braided, front of car, snug. Vacuum line other one, back of car. Make sure the electrical connector's out of the way. And then we gotta put the 10mm nuts back on. Again, don't drop them down the engine bay. Not that I've ever done that. How are we doing for time? We're looking good. Ratcheting, tightening. Snug. Electrical connector back on. Yes, clip of doom back in. Maybe. clip of doom. Intake pipe going back on. Make sure the hose gets seated. Hosing. Torxing. Tight. 10 milling. Tight. Other clip of doom back on here. Okay. And then we just need this back on there. Done. Clamps. Tighten this. Tight. Engine cover. Back on engine covering. I even have time to clean up the tools. 13 seconds to spare. Boost solenoid changed. N55 in 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Easy peasy. More videos coming up. I have some coilovers coming from this. Front control arms are here. Front sway bar is here. Many things coming. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment if you have questions on how to do it quicker.
Some of us have to work. He did say from bonnet close, but I think with the extra 15 seconds, he's good with that. Nice work, Lee. I'll go back and do some more work now.